Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In this video, we'll be looking at set notation. We'll be seeing the definition of set. A set is simply a collection of objects or things. When you collect things together, we call it, to form a group, we call it a set. When you collect things together to form a group, we call it a set. In mathematics, we represent sets are represented with capital letters. Let's see some examples. For instance, we have the set, let's say P is a group of objects or things. Let's say the set P is 2, 3, 5, and 7. So this is a set of numbers, prime numbers between 1 and 10. The set of prime numbers between 1 and 10. So we represent it like this. And then the set must be in curly brackets of this form. You must use curly brackets to represent set. And each element or object, each object in the set must be separated with comma. Okay? With comma. This is listing method for writing set, listing the elements or objects in the set. Okay? We can also have maybe describing a set using sentence. Let's say this is set R is all English alphabets. So this set, we have used a description to write this set. It's telling us about all the English alphabets, your A, B, C to Z. So if you are to represent that in the listing method, you are going to write A, B, you are going to write them A to Z separated by comma. But remember, it must always be in curly braces. Okay? Another way we can write set is using the set builder notation. Let's say another set Q. Let's say this is the set of numbers S such that 2 is less than X and X is less than or equal to 9. So this is using set builder notation. We'll discuss this more in subsequent lessons. Okay, now this means numbers from 3 to not inclusive, from 3 to 9. Okay, we'll discuss this better in our future videos. All right, so basically this is what set is. It's a collection of objects. Remember, you represent sets with capital letter, and then when writing sets, you have to use curly brackets, and then the objects in the set must be separated with comma. Okay, so this is all we'll take in this video. In our next video, we'll look at elements of a set. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment. Bye.